Is it time to buy or sell Broadcom stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Broadcom. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 16th of June, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of April 2025, our system has ranked Broadcom as a buy candidate, granting it a score of 1.61. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 33.99% since we first identified Broadcom as a buy candidate 37 days ago. This equates to an average return of 0.92% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within the center of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 53.49% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 34.15% to 66.32%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of around 33.44%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 15.12% to positive 51.03% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $213.99 and $380.74. Our latest daily update for Broadcom includes the headline, Broadcom stock upgraded to buy candidate. The Broadcom stock price gained 1.37% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 16th of June, 2025, rising from $248.70 to $252.10. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.25% from a day low at $249.57 to a day high of $255.19. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 1.36% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 2 million more shares were traded than the day before, with a total of 20 million shares bought and sold for approximately $5.11 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $265.43, while the lowest price was $128.50. Currently, the price is 5.02% or $13.33, below the 52-week high of $265.43, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Broadcom Incorporated, ticker AVGO, is gaining traction as demand surges for custom artificial intelligence chips, specifically application-specific integrated circuits, designed to outperform conventional graphics processing units from NVIDIA and advanced micro devices. This positions Broadcom advantageously in the burgeoning artificial intelligence market, which is increasingly critical for technology companies seeking efficient solutions. Over the past few weeks, Broadcom has made headlines for its robust growth, even amid macroeconomic challenges such as increased tariffs. The strong forecast for demand in artificial intelligence-centered equipment reinforces investor confidence, indicating not only short-term price momentum, but also potential for sustained growth. With AVGO's involvement in artificial intelligence and custom chip manufacturing, analysts predict that it will continue to soar through the latter half of 2025, making it an attractive option for growth investors. The company's ability to capture a significant market share in providing essential components for cloud services and artificial intelligence applications reflects a strategic advantage that could lead to enhanced long-term shareholder value. These developments position Broadcom as a key player in the technology industry's evolution, likely influencing its stock price positively in both the short and longer term as it capitalizes on the ongoing tech boom and solidifies its foothold in the artificial intelligence domain. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 6th of June, 2025, it was reported that Cowen & Company assigned AVGO a buy rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, it was reported that Evercore ISI also rated AVGO as outperform with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, Citigroup reported a buy rating for AVGO, complemented by a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, Barclays assigned AVGO an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. Lastly, on Wednesday, the 2nd of April, 2025, Daiwa provided AVGO with a buy rating alongside an upgrade recommendation. Analysts have assigned Broadcom stock a general neutral rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have awarded the stock a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Broadcom. The Broadcom stock exhibits buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at $249.37 and $229.39. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 4th of June, 2025, and the stock has since decreased by 3.44%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 9 days ago. Bollinger Bands provided a buy signal 53 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 38 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 36 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average provided a buy signal 39 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 20 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Broadcom. Broadcom finds support from accumulated volume at $246.93. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a strong trading volume, the associated risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $5.63 between its high and low, which is a change of 2.25%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.88%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Broadcom, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This crucial metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio might indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 4th of September, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at $1.66. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Broadcom. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Broadcom is at $256.85. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Broadcom faces its first support level at $246.93. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Broadcom from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 11th of June, 2025, Takeoff Charlie B conducted an insider sale of 10,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. On the 14th of May, 2025, Paige Justine conducted an insider sale of 800 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. On the 21st of April, 2025, Samuel E. Henry conducted an insider purchase of 1,602 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. On the 21st of April, 2025, Harry L. conducted an insider purchase of 1,602 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. On the 21st of April, 2025, Paige Justine conducted an insider purchase of 1,602 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative with a ratio of negative 18.023. Overall, insiders purchased 2,181,136 shares and sold 3,069,366 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $240.59, reflecting a decline of 4.57%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 8 days ago. Is Broadcom stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, together with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity. There's a fair chance that Broadcom stock will perform well in the near future. We have upgraded our assessment of this stock since our last review, changing it from a hold or accumulate to a buy recommendation. After examining the volatility and trading movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 17th of June, we anticipate that Broadcom will open higher by 185/10,000ths of a dollar and begin trading at $252.29. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your opinions in the comments. What is your target price for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a lovely day from all of us here at Stock Invest.